Don't you agree? Hi everyone, welcome back. My name is Edward. I would like a few minutes of your time to explain why I started a worldwide petition during this COVID-19 pandemic. I'll present an idea that involves wildlife and the relationship between humans and nature. It seems like something so simple. During the stay home movement, many people started realizing certain things in their life, both good and bad. So why shouldn't you and I make that change and create a long-lasting new normal? I also have something that I think is pretty amazing and definitely positive at the end of this video, so stay tuned. This idea started a few weeks back when I was scrolling on Facebook and reading articles online where I noticed a lot of people complaining about going insane because they had to stay home and couldn't socialize. Really? You're in your own home and you feel trapped or caged. Why do we do that to animals then? We lock them up for viewing pleasures, we test all sorts of crap on them, and then there is the illegal wildlife trade. I need to do something about this. So I grabbed a pen and paper and started writing down whatever came to mind. Please note, I'm not the first to try this. Now is the time to do something about this. The name of the project is Free as a Bird. Free the animals, change the business. It's an international petition to free the animals living in captivity. The aim is to free wildlife, create awareness with people and companies, and change legislation on keeping wildlife worldwide. I like to do something different. So my proposed solution is to create virtual reality experience centers to educate people on wildlife. The second solution is to free wildlife in sanctuaries and in nature reserves. Showing kids animals outside their natural habitat isn't really teaching the kids the proper ways of life. To properly manage every aspect of this unicorn and actually create change, I could use help in several ways. If you agree with me, then please take the time to sign the petition. The link is in the description. Definitely share this with as many people that you think might find this interesting. Let's take these animals home and let them roam free as a bird. Now get ready for some awesomeness.